what is advertising, what are the 4 P's, 7 P's. These are the questions generally asking. Apart from that, they will ask for only application oriented things. So dear students, so please follow WhatsApp. Please follow your LMS content. Okay, so the student, if I'm a student, if the faculty asks a question, means I will remind me back 16 years. My answer may be from genuinely, sir, advertising management is very easy. I can see some ads, from that I will write something. There is nothing new. This may be my answer. Another thing, I want to be so creative. I want to do something. This may be my answer. So most of your answers might be like this. But seriously, how it related to a career? So I have no time to read all your texts. I'm going through each and everything. Most of the people put you are a creative person. You want to be creative. My question, serious question. Why you want to become a creative person? If your career is sales. If your career is not sales, then the next question, why you took advertising management? Sir, I want to have an option. If it means, be silent. But please understand the seriousness, because how I am going to handle sales management will be different. Sales management I will be handling very seriously. Very seriously. Advertising management, it is a enjoyingly we can do. But whether the purpose to enjoy or whether the purpose to learn, that you have to say. So if somebody is so serious about advertising branding, means why I'm asking, if somebody is serious, means I have to connect with many media people. I have to connect with brand. So recently I joined with the social Clubhouse. There is an application available. So out of 24 hours, 6 hours I'm spending in listening. Okay, so whenever I'm cooking, whenever I'm doing some work, when I'm writing, I'm just listening, only related to marketing. So if any people are interested in advertising branding, means I will go through that. That is my responsibility. I will learn. I will try to connect, because nowadays it's possible. I'm able to find out some people. I can give the Instagram link. You can discuss. I can give the LinkedIn link. You can discuss. Okay. No, sir. Don't give us so stress. We want to be relaxed. We want to just enjoy. We want to do some activities. Then I am ready. So daily do some activity. Put some videos. We will dance. We will enjoy. Anyway, we are going to pass. Yes. So just to spend a few minutes, please tell from your heart. Again, I am saying you are a third trimester. I am not seeing you as a student. You are my friends. You are my marketing teams. Okay. Out of 187 students, I have 23 creative brains. So you are my asset. You are going to drive me in the advertising management. Okay. You are going to guide me what I have to learn for you. So please spend few minutes. Share shortly from your heart. Sir, just like that I took, sir. I am not interested in sales management, so I took. Yes, fantastic, Ashin. You are a right marketing person. You are straight to the point. No issues. Yes. So I will be starting from the order of my view. Okay. So please share, then we'll go for an activity. Okay. And friends, please remind me before 10 minutes when the class ends. Okay. So we might be ending by 12:30, right? Right? So please remind me by 12:20. Okay. So that we will stick on to the time. Yes, so by order, it is showing that Sudhakar, yes. Please give a brief how this marketing subject relate to you, how the advertising management relate to you, what you want to share here, what you want to learn from here. Yes.
Yeah, so myself Sudhakar. So the main thing that I took advertisement is that, so like I wanted to know like how the process.
Yes, Sudhakar, please.
So that's what I wanted to know, like how the process of advertisement goes, since like now the future is like the social media. So like everything is like marketed and advertised through social media. And the main thing is like, even like I have a future plan, like I should do something in social media where like advertising some things, like I want to, or like do start a meme page, and where like people use me as an like what is it like and source, so that they give me ideas, so I promote their products through my page or through my video contents. The thing is, the main thing I took advertising management, because so that I can like know like what is the main like what is it, what's the main idea behind like how it works. So that's the thing I took.
Sudhakar, yes, you are rightly said. The social media marketing is a very big thing, and we have another subject called the digital marketing, maybe in the next trimester. Okay, and we are having analytics also. So this analytics, digital marketing also speaks about these things. And what is the purpose of taking advertising management?
So that's also like, see,
Sir, there are different subjects, sir. Marketing is a general subject, but there are different subjects are there. We have to understand why we not took digital marketing, why we not took analytics in specifically, and what is the purpose of coming for advertising management. And Sudhakar, I will say, if you are going to start what you said, I am your customer. Because now I am working with the different entrepreneurs who want to promote the product. Okay, I am also want to learn from it. If you are ready to design, I will connect. I am also ready to work with you. So this is a word future. I am your client. Okay, but ensure that you are equipping all these things. Lot of scope is available. Every small entrepreneur is ready to spend 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees to help. Many big companies are there, but no company is guiding properly. Yes, that is a thing. But again,
so actually I have an idea of like, so like future, like now all the social media, there are lots of social influencers. So they want to like, it's not like advertising, it's kind of advertising, but they're going to promote all small brands. Like I want to collect all the like, I want to collect all the information of social influencers, like, and I'll create a forum,
yes,
and where like so
yes, Sudhar, I understood. But please go and browse. If you are going to start your venture tomorrow, you might be the billionth person you are going to start, because before that there are crores and people are in the line. How you are going to differentiate? And for that, why you need to study advertising management? Yes, you can think about it. Okay, so thanks for the input, Sudhakar. Next, I will move to Andrew Jose.
Yes, good morning to all our present here. The very reason I took advertisement is mainly because, like throughout our years, since when we are born, from what our parents are seeing till now, what you're seeing is advertisements. Even though the products keep on changing, the main core concept of advertisement is to reach like many people. So when I was like going through syllabus, when I was comparing between sales and advertising, I understood that when you know how to convince like more people, like in thousands, 10,000, and in millions to buy a product, you will learn the core basics of sales. So that's the main thing, the power of convincing. So that's why I mainly took advertising management.
So what might be your expected career? Whether you are going to convince a customer to sell the product, whether you are going to become a marketing manager, salesman.
So main career which I'm just focusing is ad creation. So because like an ad agency, in the sense like when they give you a product, they will say like, I want to convince the world or to inform what my product is all about. So to take that their idea and to present that as an advertisement like that.
We have many words called business consultant, business development agency, advertising agency. Okay, there are a lot of things are there. As an individual, how you are going to play the role here just by learning advertising management subject?
No, sir. Like one thing which I've learned throughout the years, like you need advertisement as the base, but you need also the skills to support that particular uh, particular goal. Like if you want to create an advertisement, you need to know what all the supporting things, like especially editing or especially idea creation or especially script writing or whatever it is to make that idea into a reality. So you need to know. That's why starting from the base is advertising management.
Yes, and so I feel that from the first time onwards, you are saying that you are interested in advertising. So it is almost 6 months, I believe, minimum 6 months, I believe. So did you learn? Did you learn Photoshop, CorelDRAW, at least the some of the application to design? And did you learn?
So
You
few
said
applications which I designed.
right?
So few of them which I did is like I'm learning right now Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. I already learned. I'm learning in the process actually. Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects. I already learned Photoshop and Illustrator. Like few things which I feel like it is like prerequisite, and also having gaining experience in free online tools such as Poster My Wall or Canva or such free editing online tools for editing also, where they give you a better template for you to present your advertisements or to create more. So yes, so
Okay.
that
So
journey is there.
process of learning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me connect later, Andrews. Okay, thank you. So move fast, Jacob Matthew, followed by Melvin.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I choose advertising management because of my interest on video production, because I love cinematography. That's the main thing. And I feel that advertising is the basic thing what we want to in a business, because it will increase our sales also, and it can create a brand image for our product. If we fail to promote our products in advertising, it will affect our business. So I believe.
Very good. For example, you are running a company, you want to market, okay? You can give just 1 lakh rupee to the ad consultant, they will take care of everything. Why we have to learn?
First of all, we have to learn.
Why we have to learn? Whether we need to learn about taxation, whether we need about auditing, that is a very important thing for a business person, but it is outsourced, right? Auditing is taken by the third party, tax filing is taken by the third party. Likewise, we can outsource, right?
Yes, sir. But first of all, we have to think to whom we have to give this or outsource this. So for that, first we should have the thorough knowledge on advertising.
Okay, fine. Yes. Next.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Melvin Thomas. And the reason why I took advertising is because I believe until unless there are producers, there would be product. And for every product, there would be an advertising, the need of advertising. So this is a field that will never die. So I want to learn everything that there is about advertising so that I can myself bring a better way of advertising, because I want to bring kind of a slight change in the current form of the world of advertising, because I don't think there is proper regulations, because there are huge corporations who misuse this thing and barrage us with information that we never need, but we have to force ourselves to go through it, which I really don't think is the right way for the consumers. And so yeah, I want to learn advertising so that I myself can bring about a small change and do it in a right way, probably call it green marketing or something.
Okay, so let me see, Melvin and Mohammed.
So basically, I took marketing, this advertisement management, because like I have interest in that, sir. Like from childhood, I've seen advertisements, and like now and all, I'll be like, how do we make like a product more interesting, and like how to advertise it. So I just want to get in the field and learn things.
Okay, Nas. Yes. Pratik.
Yes, sir. So good morning, sir. So the reason I chose advertising management is because it's a never-ending process. As Andrew's already said that previously it was newspaper, then it came a television advertisement, then influencer, social media, and in the future too, it will be continuing. So I want to make myself aware of how the strategies are made in the advertisements, and also have already gained skill on tools of advertising. So that's the reason I chose advertisement management.
Okay, so now I'm just changing the question a little bit. Alan.
Yes, sir.
So what are the activities you are involving related to the advertising management?
Sir, the activities that now I am involved in, right?
Yes. So for the last 3 trimesters, okay. So something in your mind related to advertising. So what are the observations you made, or what are the research you did? What are the things learned related to advertising management?
Sir, basically I chose this subject because of the main thing is about advertisement creation. So regarding that, I have upgraded my skills basically on editing. Editing means making posters and photo editing, and also video making, video creation. So I think when I started the MBA, I'm not aware. When I started MBA, I was not aware about much about video making. But when we started our first trimester, we had that marketing management class. So in order to that, we have to upgrade ourselves. So we need to make videos, we need to make posters. So in our MBA, throughout the first and second trimester, we need to make posters and videos for our Samvad, CBA, everything. So I think I upgraded myself in the case of skills, editing skills, basically.
Very good, Alan. And next we move on to the Pooja Chan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you please?
So the reason I chose advertising is honestly, I was weighing my options between the 3 marketing subjects, and I felt I was more attracted towards advertising. I felt that if I choose advertising, I'll definitely be able to do better. So that's the reason I chose advertising.
Why are not?
Huh?
Why others encouraged you?
No, in marketing, among the 3 subjects, I felt that since advertising, I can't hear you.
Why are not chosen other subjects?
That's what I felt. Advertising is where I'll be able to explore more and do more.
You're going to explore.
So my creative ideas, how well I'll be able to
You have
make.
to work on creative ideas. What is the alternative specialization?
My specialization, sir, finance.
Yes. What you are going to market in your finance? Finance means you have to work on with the system. You are a quantitative, numerical, full of brain you have to use towards the numbers.
Yes, sir. So I was unclear what I want to do. I'm not yet sure of what I want to do for my future. That's why I chose finance and marketing. And I want to see for this trimester at least which areas I'm doing better. So what are my strengths? Either it is finance or marketing. So that's why I had chosen advertising.
Okay. Anyway, very good subject. Okay. Marketing is a skill. Marketing is a skill at any time we can learn, but finance is a practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even you are going to the any field, don't give up the finance.
Yes, sir.
Become a CEO, the main skill required is financial skill. We call it as a profit making. That is the objective of sales. Okay. So don't leave it. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, yes. Thomas?
Sir, is it Thomas Curry or Thomas Varghese?
Thomas Carrier Paul.
Yes, sir. So, sir, can I?
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, actually, I don't have any idea about this advertisement career. And the reason why I took is just because of you. Like in the first trimester, you just made me to make a video of some team members, right? So everything started from there. Like I haven't got any idea of editing. I haven't got any idea of content creation. And from there, everything started. And now one of a movie just hired me as an editor. Okay. So I felt like, okay, this content creation or advertisement is something that I can go up. And also whenever I make some posters or some videos, everyone will say that, yes, it is unique. You have a different style. So I thought, yeah, like moreover career, I need to know what is advertisement and I love to know. So that is the reason.
Yes, fantastic. So with this, we can have a fold. So as of now, 9 students had discussed. The next class, the balance will be discussed. Okay. Otherwise, the entire class will become only a discussion thing with respect to the self intro. Okay. So now I need you to put in a chat. I need you to put in a chat if you want to advertise you to the world. Okay, by it may be any way. It may be about your personal, it may be about your career, it may be your family, which is the preferred one. What is your USP you want to advertise? Okay, you may be making a video or you may be doing any media. Advertising is a common one. It's not with the video or audio. Okay, if you want to advertise yourself or if you want to sell you, to a marketer or to an interview person or to the opposite gender for marriage, or you want to get a more rapport, it's all called as marketing or selling yourself. That means what is your USP? What is your USP? That's a core thing you are having to sell. Please put in a chat now.
Chat option is disabled.
Chat is
It's
not
closed.
available, sir.
Okay, chat is not available. Okay, that might be disabled. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, let me check this later. Okay, so I not noticed that. Fine. So please take your mobile and put in a WhatsApp. Why it is so? These all things is available everywhere, and I will be putting in the LMS Cont also. But just to review, I'm just going to show the PPT for 5 minutes. Just to remind me, by 12:10, we have to do an activity within 10 minutes. Okay? Yes. So kindly confirm the slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So next 5 minutes, I'm just going through overview, and the same thing was earlier discussed in marketing management also. Okay, so yes, so promotion. The other words are promotion is persuasive communication. That means that any communication which influence others to listen us or making them to convince to buy or adopt our ideas. There is a common word called promotion, but in marketing we call it as a marketing communication. So there is a word we have to, so there is a 3 important words. We have to give an awareness about ideas or product, and we have to persuade or convince them. Okay, and we have to remind them again and again and again to buy the product or feel happy about the product. So that is called as inform, persuade, remind. These are 3 major objectives in promotion. Okay, so in the promotion, we have around 5 major mix, but etc. We are adding other things called as 8 mixes in promotion mix. As these are the things we already studied from marketing management: advertisement, sales promotion, public relation, publicity, personal selling, direct marketing. So dear students, as I said, many things you should have an application oriented knowledge, but basics you should be very strong. What is marketing mix? What is promotion mix? What are the service mix? These things you have to remember. You have to remember every time. So here I had listed advertisement means how it differs from sales promotion, how it differs from public relation, how it differs from public. So you have to learn why personal selling is important. Because personal selling is mostly for sales and distribution management. So if there is a 2 option, you can go for personal selling, you can go for advertisement. Which is preferred? Why? When you want to say no to advertisement, you should know why. If you want to say yes to the advertisement, you have to say why. So these are all things you have to go through and review. I'm not here to explain everything theoretically. You have to understand. So generally you have to remember 2 things. Advertisement is any paid form. We are paying to a client or an agency to promote our product or ideas or about ourselves. So the main keyword is any paid form of. Only one unpaid form of promotion is word of mouth communication. You have to remember, this is a very important thing. So I am not going to spend any money, but I will promote. What way? Only because of word of mouth communication. Other things, even a publicity or public relations, we have to sponsor, we have to donate, we have to do something, we have to spend money. Only unpaid form of promotion or advertisement is called as warm. We call it as a warm advertising. Okay, word of mouth advertising, advertising through others. Okay, but our advertisement is, we have highlighted in the red, any paid form of non-personal. When we are doing an advertisement, we should not speak about privacy things or personal things. We have to speak about other things we want to promote. Non-personal presentation about, it may be our idea, it may be a good or service through an identified sponsor. Any paid form, non-personal, it may be an idea or good or service through an identified sponsor. This is the explanation given by the expert. You have to remember. So other things or many explanations are that you can go through it. Okay, so we have to convince other people. Okay, I will be sharing the PPT also. Okay, so please just to go through any advertisement. Okay, this is the task I will be giving in the LMS later. Okay, so just to go through any advertisement, you should be able to recollect what are the companies, brand, product, benefit, offer, target audience, objective, ad within the ad, what they are promoting within the ad, and judge which is affecting and not why. So for example, today go to any one media. You can go to your digital media, even you can go to the website, or you can go to the Facebook or anything, or even go to the television. Just to select any 5 advertisement, all the advertisement, these all things will be available. But most of the time we are not noticing it. So whenever you think about advertisement, something will be coming, something, product will be coming, brand will be coming, celebrity will be. Ask why. When I'm seeing the advertisement, why I'm able to recollect only the celebrity? Why? What is the content they added? In something I'm able to recollect only the offer. Why? Ask the question, write down. Then now think, if you want to create advertisement, what is the objective? Whether you want to promote a celebrity, whether you want to promote offer, whether you want to promote a concept, then think about this advertisement, which is failing in promoting their celebrity, which is failing in promoting offer. You can learn from other advertisement. But the only thing, don't view advertisement as advertisement. You have to view as a case study. Even you are seeing a 1 ad or 2 ad, you have to remember it is a case study. So let me do that later. Okay.
It's 12:10.
Yes. So it's time. So it's a general thing. It's objectives. What are the objectives, strategies? So the first thing will go about different types of advertisement, etc. Okay, so we'll be discussing in the next class. Okay, so now just for refreshing your creativity, because all our creative minds are here. Okay, so you all have to have a paper. So please pick up a paper very fast. Please get a paper, pen. Do it fast. So please, all of you can switch on the video so that I am able to observe your emotions. Fast. Please take a paper. So please have a separate note for advertisement, because most of the time we will be scribbling something. We are doing some nonsense. Okay. So please have a separate note or something. Okay. And whatever you are doing the nonsense, that will become an assignment. That will become our activity. Okay. Just to put a post in LMS, that will become an evaluation. No problem. Yes. So are you able to see the slide? Advertising management exercise to psychometric test, right? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is available now here in the screen?
Now add up.
Yes. So just to write like this, A, B, C. So you have to write a heading. You write your name, register number, advertising management. Do it fast. Do it fast. We may be taking extra 5 minutes. Okay, after 12:30. So please do it fast. Write A. So write your name, today's date, advertising management. VAC activity. Put it as a VAC. VAK activity. I will tell you what is meant by VAC in the last 10 minutes. Okay. The last 10 minutes is just for our sharing our views. Over. Dear students, kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how it goes is, for example, I am putting one question. Okay. So you have to answer, which is the one. So for example, so there will be around 30 questions. It has to be answered very fastly and don't think more. Okay. So I observed Melvin is always thinking so rational. Whenever he wants to speak, he thinks more. He will think what the value it will be adding, how the people will think, what are the words. So you are taking so seriously before presenting. That's fine. But for answering this test, you have to say from your heart, because it is a self-assessment. Okay. So for example, this is the first one. When I operate a new equipment, I generally, what's your answer? If its answer is A, mean put 1 near A. So we are going to count how many A's, how many B's, how many C's. Over. Dear students, it should be fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So likewise, I am moving to the next question. I will give only 10 seconds. When I need directions for traveling, I usually, I move to the next question. When I cook a new dish, I like to. I move to the next question. If I am teaching someone something new, I tend to. I tend to say mostly. What is the normal thing I will do mostly? Please don't think more. Whatever comes to your mind, please respond. Next one. During my free time, I mostly enjoy. When I go for shopping for clothes, I tend to. When I am choosing a holiday, I usually. If your answer is A, put 1 near A. If it's B, put in B, put in. Are you understanding the evaluation, friends? Okay. When I'm choosing a holiday, I usually. If I was buying a new car, what I will do? When I am learning a new skill, I'm most comfortable in if I am choosing a food off from a menu, I tend to what my brain is doing. When I listen to a band, I can't help. When I listen to a band, I can't help. When I concentrate, I most often. So if you're focusing on something, maybe your studies or your entertainment, if you're focusing on something, concentrating, how will you react? I choose household furnishing because I like. For example, you are advised to buy something for the house, maybe a refrigerator or something. My first memory is of. So if you want to recollect something, how will you do? When I am anxious, so whether if you are in an emotional state, either happy or whatever it may be, if you are eager to learn something, how will you do? How will you react? You only know. Because in the college and other places you will act, but if you are alone, I feel especially connected to other people because when I have to revise for an exam, I generally if I am explaining to someone, I tend to, for example, I want to help to somebody, people about some concepts. How will we demonstrate? I really love what I love really. So please answer from your heart. Most of my free time is spent in that is a hobbies. Don't think about this COVID days usually. Now most of the time you are speaking to faculties. Yes. When I first contact a new person, mostly it happen in the sales, okay, or if you join in any college, or if you're moving to the new location, what will you do to network? I first notice how people, for example, you are just seeing a new person. What immediately comes to your mind? If you are angry, how will you react? If I find it here easiest to remember, what is the way you will remember? It's not only for education, generally. I think that you can tell if someone is lying if. That means that it is a strategy that you are able to identify they are lying to you. Okay? Whether you are able to justify they are lying, they are not true. When I meet an old friend, okay, maybe a school friend, what will you do? When I meet an older friend, okay, let's repeat it. Okay. I remember things best by Please don't stick on only to academic exams. Think in common. If I have to complain about faulty goods, I'm most comfortable in. So this is if you find some mistakes from the retailer or somebody else, how will you react? Generally, whenever you are communicating, please observe yourself, how you are speaking, how you are communicating. Okay, done. So now make a total, how many A's, how many B's, how many C's. So nothing wrong, which is high, which is low. It is just a self-analysis, and it may not be accurate. It differs from person to person. But it is a tested psychological test to understand about ourselves. About what? That I am going to say in the last 10 minutes. Because this is not about advertising. This is about us, our creativity, our strength and weakness. Done? Yes. So now our session is over. The next 10 minutes, what I am going to say is a general thing we have to understand. So now, maybe, Andrews, I think you completed. Yes, Andrews, total, right? Yes, yes, please. Sir, only 30. How much time you are taking for totaling? It's not solving our problem. Fine. So total is not a thing. Now, please listen carefully. There are 3 words are there. You have to remember these 3 words, especially in marketing, especially in advertising. VAK. VAK. V is visual. A is auditory. K is kinesthetics. K is kinesthetics. So every person, every individual, every human being having the skill. Okay, you should have some visual things. Visual things means not only seeing. Maximum will use eyes to see and your ears to listen, and we use our feeling, that is a skin or something to feel. Kinesthetic means the feeling. So please rate now, side by side rate. Okay, so for example, out of 100, or otherwise we can make it as a 30 for just for comparison. The total is 30. How much number you feel that visual? So first I will say what is meant by visual. Whenever you want to say something, first thing you will visualize. When you want to study, you will visualize. When you see people, you will visualize. Okay, please listen. Don't react immediately. Okay, and test yourself whenever you are speaking, or whenever you are listening, whenever you are writing, whenever you are playing, doing something. The most important thing is you are tend to listen. Even you are seeing a TV, music, if you are enjoying, means you are auditory person. If you switch off the video, you can't listen. Sometimes you can enjoy only with the video. If the video is off, you can't listen. That means you are auditory person. Okay, so you have to, which sense your body is giving most important, whether you need visual thing or whether you need audio related things, or otherwise mostly you are disturbed by, or mostly you are disturbing others by emotions. Sir, I immediately will cry. I immediately will laugh. I'm easily switched to moods, or sir, I will easily convince other people. I will easily make other people to feel. It may be a love, it may be a irritation. That is a skill. That is a skill. Sir, I can create a very good people. How? Whether you create a people by speaking, or by your body language, or sharing the emotions. Emotions we can't measure. Some people will be there just nearby. Maybe our grandmother, maybe our mother. Okay, they are just as if they are not speaking. Even they are not that much beautiful to see. They may not be dressable, but we feel so happy, right? They have some personality that is called as kinesthetics. The feeling. So, without seeing me, without speaking to me, I can make other people to feel. Maybe plus or minus, maybe angry. Just because of my inner feeling. That is very difficult. Thomas? That is very difficult. It is an exercise. Okay. So most of the time in sales, we can't speak to the salesman. Okay. We can't call them. We can't meet them. But we have to control them. Means it is the emotions from the heart. Rarely we have the skill. And the reverse, if your mother is scolding, okay, if your mother is coming behind you and just staring at you, or just a feel, which affects you more? The word is important, or her presence is important, or just the emotion that is not shared using a voice or visually, which is important. So just guessing this in many things, just to make a rating of 30. The first one is V, put a total, A, put a total, K, put the total should be 30. So that means that which sense you are having more dominance, whether you are visual person, whether you are auditory person, whether you are kinesthetic person. So just out of 30, just to give, the total should be 30. We'll just try to check. And this may not be right. You have to do continuously. You have to access it continuously. Okay. Even in the exams, you can remember what the way you are learning. Okay. Whether you are listening, whether you are writing. If you are writing and reading, means you are visually strong. You have to listen or you have to spell, then only you can mug up, means you are auditory strong. But emotionally, I am attached to the subject. Emotionally, I attach to the faculty. Emotionally, I am attached to the career. Then it is a kinesthetic. So everywhere you can apply. So just to make a comparison, how much mark out of 30 you are giving for V, giving for A, giving for K? Yes. Now, just to compare, so whatever you evaluated is V. I'm saying in the same order. Whatever you evaluated as a A is auditory, that is a B. Whatever you evaluate for kinesthetic is C. Just to check whether it is matching or mismatching. Maybe 1 or 2 mark difference is okay. But for auditory, you given 20, but in the score it is coming 5, means there will be a mismatch. Again, friends, you are going to write, okay? We are going to post it. So this way it will be, okay? ABC already you listed. Okay, ABC already listed. Now just list your VAS. Instead of 100, you can put 30, just for comparison, okay? So now put a difference. VAK. Now again write separately VAK difference. You have to minus from the first to second. It may be a +5 or it may be a -5. It may be a +2 or -2, or it may be a 0, means yes, exactly you evaluated yourself. Done? Andrews, do you need any calculator? Yes, fast. Over? Yes. So I will ask some people in random. Let me check. Yes. Thomas? Thomas, did you done your counting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it is another Thomas.
Oh, sorry.
Thomas, sir.
Yeah, sir, done counting.
Yeah, please tell me, is there any difference? What is the score in V? What is the score in A? What is the score in K?
V9.
Wait. Student, just to listen, just to have an assumption. Thomas, according to you, your observation in the online class and regular classes, Thomas is, whether he is visual, always he shows something, always he sees something, that means he is visual. Always he is trying to speak or try to listen when he is auditory. Always he speak or act as an emotional person. Either smiling or making others happy or just getting emotional connection, means he is a K. Just to have a view, let me check with his self-analysis. Yes, Thomas, how your self-analysis first, for your self-analysis. Then we'll go to the psychometric test. Yes? How you felt about your visual? Out of
9.
Yes?
9.
9 means approximately 33%. He said he is a visual. Just to compare, you all have to compare. You have some thought about Thomas, about visual. But his judgment is 33%. Just to compare whether it is plus or minus. Next one. Auditory. How you are?
Auditory
Yes.
is 10.
10.
For 10, 10.
Yes. Last one K, obviously it will be 33.
10,
correct?
11.
11. So approximately 33%. So Thomas feel he is equally strong in all the VAK. But go to the psychometric test.
I didn't done it, sir. I'm going to do it.
Then go out of the class.
No, sir.
Go out of the class.
Only doing, sir. Sorry.
You should be very serious now, Thomas. It's just an activity, right? Yes. Now we can check with Yamini. Yamini, can you please tell me your analysis? And just to tell me, so you want to just check whether our assessment is right or wrong. Yes.
So for V, I got 6.
Okay.
And for B, I got 13. And for K, I got 11, sir.
Okay.
So, and the what you said, the subtraction thing, I didn't get, sir. Sorry for that. I didn't know.
So 6, 13, 11 is from psychometric test, right?
Yes, sir.
So what about your feel out of 30? Or you can say out of 100? Yes.
I got -7 for that, sir.
-7 means visual is what is the score you give?
6, sir.
No, that is observed
and
test, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you felt out of 30?
I don't know.
Okay, so I said 2 analysis. Okay, one is from psychometric test, another one is your self analysis. Okay, so let me share again. So I will tell you. So for example, this is the thing means say here you can write your test score. Okay. Here you can write your self score. Here is a difference. Got it? Because first we did test. Okay, so from the test out of 30, how much you score for A, how much you scored for B, how much you scored for C. Then you made a self-analysis for a visual, what is your score? What is the auditory, what is your score? What is your K, what is your score? Now you are finding the difference. Done? Yes, Hari, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So my A was 6, B was 17, and C was 7.
Wait. Your V was 6.
No. A was 6, B is 17, and C is 7.
C is 7. So you feel that this is your self-analysis, this is a test, right?
Yes, sir.
From the test, it was shown that you are emotionally connecting with other people. That is the test score. Maybe right or wrong, that we have to work it later. But what is your self-analysis?
I feel I've scored each one out of 10. So visual, I have put it as 8.
Okay.
Auditory, 8. And kinesthetic is 14. So
14.
out of...
Yes. So now you can just make it as a calculation, just to compare how we will judge. Maybe a light deviation will be there. Okay. So we might be done in a rush. Okay. We might be done in a rush. Now you may not be able to understand clearly what is the task we did. But hereafter, just observe whenever you are reading the newspaper, whether while reading, for example, if I am reading the syllabus, okay, definition, importance, history of advertising. This is the word I am reading. So after this, for example, again I am repeating, please listen. Definition, important, history of advertising. See. Now, what are the things you are able to recollect? If you are recollecting, definition means what comes to your mind. Whether you are able to see some definition already we wrote, definition means whether we are explaining, definition means whether you are able to see somebody people. So whether it is a feeling or visual or some other sound. I said definition, right? SAR spelled the definition like this. So which is coming first? Then if I say history, whether you are just listening to the word history or you are relating to the history teacher who took during the school, or you are able to recollect the book history, that means that if you are recollecting image wise means you are visually dominant. If you are able to just to listen the word history means you are auditorily dominant. And if I say history means, history geography I don't like, if the field comes means then you are emotionally. Are you getting the point? This is self-analysis. Why we are learning here? The same way consumer will react when you are posting the advertisement. But he may not know. We ourselves don't know about ours. We are not honest. Today we are doing something and we are feeling difficult to understand. So, but think about the consumer. Without recognizing, he may be visually dominant, auditory dominant, kinesthetic dominant. So we have to make a research in which component differs with product to product. If you are selling a toothpaste, they may be looking for different component. If you are selling some medicines, it may be for a different component. So according to your product, according to the target audience, and it differs with the media, while I am designing an advertisement, which component should be more? If the customer is looking for more visual means, I have to add a picture. I have to put a colorful logo. But if the person is looking for sound means, by media should be. Okay, it's not about a TV media or newspaper media. Even a newspaper, you can put a word so that will connect to the audio. Yeah, enjoy, like that I am putting. Even I am not saying enjoy. You will connect to feeling means the customer is looking for some kinesthetic thing. Wear a mask, otherwise you will die. It's a word, but it will connect to emotion. We will be connecting to somebody died because of that. Or you are just reading the news. Are you getting the friends? So please make an exercise when you are seeing advertisement, when you are reading, when you are listening the audio, which is dominant for you. Try to do the exercise. For example, you can work with some people, write down and just able to observe, ask. Slowly you will have the quality of accessing their skill where they are dominant so much. In marketing, this is important. For someone, for example, if I'm in the class, just listen. If I want to say to some people, yes, Pooja, if she react regularly, I will use the word Pooja because she feel hurted in spelling the name. That means auditory dominant. If I come to the Archit, I will just look at him. Somebody feel, without knowing to others, I'm just intimidated. He feel very bad means he is visually dominant. Okay, and for example, come to Andrews. So I found some fault with Andrews. I'm not telling anything. I'm not explaining anything. Andrew is coming to me. I'll say, I'm just ignoring. One time I told Andrews don't do voice. Next time, visual. Next time, just ignore. When I'm ignoring, Andrews feel happy or sad. Anyway, then I'll identify Andrews is kinesthetically connected. Either I have to threaten him emotionally or I have to make him emotionally. I can say, Andrews, I don't expected this, ma. What is it? Then he may cry. Otherwise, Andrews, you are a very nice person, Ra. Why you did like this? Then he feel differently. But I have to access. You might be observing the faculty. Different faculty will deal the student differently. For someone it will work out, for someone it won't work out. Even for me. And it will differ with the student to student. That means I have to find out all my 180 students who is kinesthetically, visually, auditorily, they are accepting my responses. Unless I can't find out. Correct? Mostly in the class, I can be visually controlling you. But during the online classes, I can use only the words. Yes? If I say the name, then you feel. Some people may not be texting me, may not be calling me, may not be seeing me, but they may be aspired with me, they may be emotionally connected. But I have to identify, right? Some people may not be speaking to me, but I found that, okay, this is a waste guy. He is not speaking, he is not listening, he is nothing means I made a wrong decision. I may be losing one student, right? The same thing will happen in marketing when you are dealing a salesman, dealing a team, and same thing for the advertisement. You may perceive something you are posting, but the customers are behaving differently means your entire advertisement, whatever we are seeing, Photoshop, design, digital media, Sudhar is saying about many analytics, all will become waste if we are unable to understand our VAK and understanding of your VAK. Are you getting the point? It is a neuro-linguistic programming, very big science. Okay, it's a very big science. We have to learn for 3 years. If you want to practice it, we have to learn for 3 years, and it may be a lakhs and lakhs of rupees. I am just saying only the small points what I learned. This is very essential in marketing, especially in advertising. It's not about putting a video, putting a picture, something to attract. They will be attracted, sir. Please understand. When you are putting a video, they will be attracted. They will be enjoying. We may enjoy many advertisements, but we may not buy the product because we are not emotionally connected. You got the point? We may enjoy the advertisement, but we won't buy the product. Then you are a failure, right? You are not here to advertise. You are here to sell the product. So please understand, VAK for us, VAK for others. Whether you are able to sense the match VAK, then you will become a very good, great marketer. Irrespective of advertising or salesman, whatever it may be, the skills are required. And especially in advertising management, these 3 analysis has to be done for all the perspective while designing, launching, etc. Okay. So I request all the students to take the picture immediately. Okay, friends. So kindly please all unmute and respond.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
thank you. Privately respond. Give the feedback in the WhatsApp. No need to put in the group. Okay. So if you want to give any suggestion, if you want to appreciate me, no need. Okay. But if you want to make some changes, next class will be like that. I want to add something. Please put me immediately. So first to post the picture, then put me in the individual WhatsApp message. How we have to proceed. Okay. So thank you, dear students. We will meet you in the nearby classes. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.